Hi everyone, good morning. I would like to thank everyone for joining the kickoff meeting for the T-Mobile's Digit project. My name is Sonika and I am the project manager for this project. Kickoff meeting agenda. So I would quickly like to go over the agenda for the meeting. We would be discussing about the project overview, where I would give a short overview of the project. Then we would talk about the team members that are involved, talk about the goals and objectives that we're trying to achieve during the project, the benefits, and we would shortly talk about the budget and the timeline for the project. And finally, the next steps that are needed to be taken. And at the end, we are going to have a short question and answer session. Project overview. As you all know, the project we would be talking about is T-Mobile's Digit project. T-Mobile is the third largest telecommunication provider in United States with the current revenue of $146 billion. T-Mobile is a multinational telecommunication company with headquarters in Texas. Its mission is to provide best cellular quality to all the subscribers and provide first-to-market luxury application. The telecom giant T-Mobile will be introducing to the world their latest project called as T-Mobile Digit. This project is undertaken to help the customers that are carrying multiple devices with different numbers. So T-Mobile plans on integrating the virtual line onto your native device. The age of locking your phone number to one device is gone. With digits, the phone number is attached to your identity and not to your phone. The main concept of the project is that with Digits application and web client, your T-Mobile number works across all your connected devices, say such as phones, tablets, and computers. It lets the customer put T-Mobile number on a single device, which allows you to combine work, home, and other personal numbers on a single phone. The aim of the project is to achieve one line for multiple devices and multiple lines for one device. Isn't that absolutely great? Gone are the days where the user had to carry two mobile phones for using different numbers for, say, business or personal use. It allows the subscriber to access his phone remotely with the use of Digit's web browser application, and this is achieved on all the devices and it's not restricted to any brand. By using Digits, you can use your account number on any device without a SIM card. This totally breaks the conventional way of communication. The use of virtualization will reduce the cost and increase the network capacity. In this project, we would be mainly concentrating on virtualized platform. Project team members' roles and responsibility. So this slide basically talks about the project team members, their roles and responsibilities. Let me quickly introduce you to the team members of the T-Mobile's Digit project. As you all know that I am the project manager. We are going to be dividing the team into two sections, the development team and the testing team. The development team is led by Laurie, who is a senior engineer, and assisting her will be Mark, who is the development engineer. The testing team is led by Jack, who is again the senior engineer, and assisting him will be Jen, who is the testing engineer. Unfortunately, Laurie, who is a senior engineer, could not join the kickoff meeting today due to some personal issues. Project goals. Let's quickly go over the project goals. So in the slide, we have two columns. One column mentioning the business objective and the other stating the project goals. The first project objective is advancement of technology, where we would be using the virtualized platform. The second objective is to improve the network capacity, and the project goal is providing seamless connectivity. Next is improving the sales and the delivery with the goal of increasing the number of subscribers to 1 million. Last is to reduce the customer complaints by 20%. Project objectives. So this slide mainly describes the project objectives so the main project objectives is of Digits is to focus on the delivery of functionality such as conference call, file transfer, image share, video share, and group chat. With Digits, we're trying to focus on delivering all these functionalities along with the basic feature. So benefits. Let's go over the benefits of the project. So in the slide we see some benefits that are mentioned and which can be achieved by successful completion of the project. So the first benefit is reducing the number of devices used, which will benefit the customers. Second is we are going to fulfill the market needs, which will again benefit the customers. Third is to increase the network capacity, which is going to increase the profit. Fourth is the seamless connectivity. With seamless connectivity, we're again going to benefit the customer. Finally, the stakeholders are going to be benefited with enormous profit. Budget and schedule. Let's have a glance at the budget and the project schedule for the T-Mobile's Digit project. The total budget is $10 million and the total timeline for the project is 3 years. The project is divided into 3 phases: development phase, beta phase, and final phase. In the development phase, the application is developed on the non-virtualized platform and is tested with the help of 1,000 subscribers. The completion date for the development phase is expected to be around December 2017. The next phase is the beta phase, in which the application is developed on the virtualized platform and is tested with the help of 1,000 subscribers. This is expected to be completed by May 2019. The last stage of the project is the final stage. The aim of this phase is to make the application available to all the T-Mobile subscribers, and it is expected to be completed by 2020. Next steps. So I would like to talk about the next steps and the path that is needed to be followed for the coming months. First is to provide training on the technology and the tools used for testing. For this purpose, the company will need to buy the software for the project. The virtualized platform will be outsourced by a company, outsourced to a company called as Mitel. They have 2 teams, one in offshore and one on-site. We will be having sync-up calls every Thursday with the offshore team. The on-site team will be joining us on the Tuesday calls. The web application will be developed in-house with the help of very talented developers and will be tested rigorously for better user experience. Finally, meetings will be conducted every week to track the progress and issues or any defects during the project. And for now, all the weekly meetings will be conducted on Tuesday. There will be weekly offshore calls with the team members across the globe to sync up with the project progress. If there's any change in the project meeting schedule, I will definitely update you guys. Questions. So looks like we've reached the last slide of the presentation. If you have any questions or concerns about the project, I would be more than happy to answer them. So wrapping up with the questions, I would like to thank everyone again for attending this meeting, and I look forward to working with you all. Thank you again, and have a great rest of your day.